Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Armor Performance. I'm Alex Hobbs, and today I'm super excited because we are leaving to go on the 2024 Hot Rod Power Tour. But we are not leaving in this 1977 Caprice Estate wagon until Tuesday. Here's why. My aunt's wedding is on Monday, which is the first stop. So today, which is Saturday, we are flying to Nashville. Tomorrow, we will drive to Bowling Green, check in for early pickup, and then fly back to Dallas, go to my aunt's wedding on Monday, and then on Tuesday, we will take this to Nashville to check in for the second stop. So now, with some very high-tech editing, I will see you in Bowling Green. So we made it to NCM Motorsports Park, which is the first stop on the 2024 Hot Rod Power Tour. But so far, we've used an airplane and a Prius to get here. We just picked up our credentials, and later tonight we're going to fly back to Dallas, and we have one more swing to work on the car we're actually supposed to be driving. Monday we're going to my aunt's wedding, and then we're driving straight to Nashville so we can be there by Tuesday morning. We are at the National Corvette Museum. We were here about 10 years ago, right after the sinkhole happened, so we're gonna go look around and see what's different and just enjoy Corvettes. They had some really cool Corvettes in there. Now it's time to get back to Dallas so we can get this wagon ready for Nashville Superspeedway on Tuesday. So bad news. We have been up for 24 hours straight. We've been working on this car, and it just has too many problems for us to fix in what little time we have left. We replaced the front suspension, we patched the big rust holes in the floorboard, we replaced spark plugs, wires, we tried to rig up a temperature sensor. We just don't have enough time to make this car work for the tour. So now let me show you the car we are going to take instead. So this is the car we are taking, my mom's 2011 Cadillac Escalade Hybrid. I know what you're thinking, it's not much, but it should make the trip. It gets good gas mileage, it will hold all of us, and it'll get us there without any problems. It's a little bit disappointing we can't take the station wagon, but at least we still get to go and see all these awesome cars. So we're about to load up, hit the road, and I will see you in Nashville. second stop on the 2024 Hot Rod Power Tour. The car made it fine. We're not at all surprised that it made it, since it is a newer car. Still a little bit disappointed that we couldn't bring the wagon, but we're here and we get to see a bunch of cool cars. So we got here around 5 o'clock, so we had an hour to spare before they closed everything down. So I'm standing on the start-finish line of Nashville Superspeedway, which is, the size of the track is just under 1.5 miles, and they're actually going to be racing NASCAR here in about 2 weeks. So we're about to go look around. I think we're going to do some RC car stuff, and tomorrow we'll be in Louisville. We are at Kentucky Speedway on the way, and the gate's open, so we're gonna walk in. This is the tunnel that the cars go in. There are some garages. This place is huge. I don't know how big it is. I probably should have done some research on the way here, but I didn't think about it. Upon further research, we discovered that Kentucky Speedway is a 1.5 mile retired superspeedway. It used to host ARCA, NASCAR, and IndyCar races, but after COVID, NASCAR decided not to put it on its schedule anymore. Since then, it has been completely abandoned, apart from, for a couple years, Ford storing their F-150 trucks there. Now it's time to hit the road, and we will see you in Hebron. So we made it to National Trail Raceway in Hebron, located in Hebron, Ohio. Despite making many detours, we made it here pretty early compared to what we've done the past couple days, and we made a couple pit stops, but Kentucky Speedway and the Cincinnati Bengals Stadium, because my brother after NASCAR race turned demolition derby. It was finally time to watch some drag racing. Well, here's our annual gas station Power Tour car show. Every gas station you go to is just filled with cars. We made it to Indianapolis, which is the last and final stop on the 2024 Hot Rod Power Tour. It was a great trip, everyone had fun. We're kind of bummed we couldn't take a cool classic car, but sometimes plans just change. Next year, we're planning on going next year, and the year after that, and for many years to come. But the day's not over yet. At this venue, they have drag racing, and Snoop Dogg will prove himself on the quarter mile. They also have a dyno set up, and I think we're going to watch around or two of that. So first, let's go look at the dyno.
Wind up, wind up. It's not gonna catch her.
Foot is in her
I
seat.
mean, my foot is in the floor hard.
15. That's 16.
27. Yeah.
Okay, how do you think the car handled those 4 runs?
I mean, it didn't break, and that's really all I could stand. I mean, I could handle it. It's not fast. It's heavy. I mean, it ran down the track and nothing blew up. That's all I was really going for.
Do you remember any of your times?
The best I got was a 19.3, which we looked it up online and knew it should have been like 16.6. So I guess something's wrong, or maybe it was just the driver. I don't know.
Okay.
Probably just the driver.
Okay. And if you did it again, what would you change? And would you do it again?
If I did it again, I would not drive it. I would not do it in this car. I would do it in something faster.
Okay. Thank you.
Don't forget